everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna make a DIY balance beam.
Yes.
My name is Morg, but my real name's Morgan, and this is my sister Tay Tay, but her real name's Taylor.
One 8-foot 4x4 right here, and then right beside it we've got a 2x4. Taylor's got some contractor carpet pad that we got from Home Depot. And Morgan, what do you have there?
I got the cover.
You've got the carpet cover. What do we have there? On the right, we've got a new DeWalt staple gun. And then, where are the staples? What are they? Right there? Yeah. We got T50 9/16 inch staples. You can see right here. And then we got our foam. And that's our carpet pad that we got at Home Depot, right, Morgan?
Yep.
So what we're doing now is Morgan is using the staple gun. Good one. Do this one. She's using the staple gun to get our foam pad attached.
It's pretty hard.
It's pretty hard. Nailed it.
Okay, we're back and we finished the bottom, and now we're gonna put the carpet on.
We finished the foam. And we had our first injury on the job site injury. You want to show them your injury, Tay?
And
show them your
the
Band-Aid.
minions are building them up.
Show us your Band-Aid. Yeah, we got a minion Band-Aid there. We had a OSHA recordable. We had
I'll be right back. We're all done with the carpet. Now we're gonna work on the feet.
Yeah, so let's see. Let's do 24 inches. So let's mark it off. Okay. And we're gonna cut two of these, right, Morgan? We're gonna put one on this side and one on that side, right?
Yep. So we cut the footers to 24 inches, and now we need to put the carpet on.
Yeah, and I figure we'll just kind of wrap it on there. I'm not sure if we'll go all the way around.
Jingle bells, I poop in my pants.
How's the project going? Hmm?
There's that funny alarm sound again.
Yeah. You guys just taking a little break.
Now we have it all done. Now we're going to attach the feet.
We're going to use this drill to pre-drill some holes here. And use these really long screws, and we're going to attach the feet. And we did put carpet on the footer, so it looks nice. Almost done, Tay?
So, I hope you liked our channel, and this is the first time, and you know what we named it? We named it Morgan's Workshop. So, I hope you smash the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye! Hi everyone, we're back. I'm here to say bye. Bye.